Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase crypto buying power on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download Webull application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you would like to go and download it through Play Store. If you're using an Android, App Store. If you're using an iPhone or any other store you could be possibly using, then you'd like to go and sign up to create your account. Of course, if it's not your first time using the application, if it's your first time, sorry, using the application. If it's not your first time, or if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Webull application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So after opening the application, this will actually be your home or your main screen on the application. And as we said, if you want to increase crypto buying power, so let me just ask, how do I increase buying power on Webull? So if your in-flight deposits exceed the limit, the maximum you can receive is the limit of instant buying power. So the limit of instant buying power may increase after your deposit settles. The higher your net account value, the more instant buying power you will be awarded. So it will be a fee to trade with instant buying power first. Of course, there is no interest charge for trading on provisional cash. Please note certain exchange fees or regulatory fees may apply. For a full list of fees, please see just go to the Webull website on your phone and just search for Webull fee schedule. I can even tell you that if you don't want. So we have actually a deposit time from 12 a.m. to the 8 a.m. Of course, all the time are ET times. You have around 7 a.m. at the same day. So when in 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. when will the instant buying power will be given? It will be immediately in this time, but in 4 p.m. to 12 p.m. around 7 a.m. of the following day. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.